How you doing, friends? My name is Mr. A, and we're here with another Read Aloud. Today, we're going to read a book called Goodnight Goodnight Construction Site. Goodnight Goodnight Construction Site. That is the title of our book. Before we read, I want to ask my friends, what is a construction site? Do you know what a construction site is? Well, if you don't know, it's quite okay, because I can tell you what a construction site is. A construction site is a place where homes and roads and buildings are being made. Can you say construction site? Good job, construction site. And I notice on the front cover, I see a construction vehicle. A vehicle is a machine that takes people or things from one place or to another. Can you say vehicle? Good job, vehicle. All right, let's start our book. Turning the page. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. Look at these wonderful construction vehicles. How many do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 construction vehicles. Nice. Let's turn the page. The sun is set. The work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one, they'll go to bed, to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. Ooh, look, the sun is going down. Let's turn the page. Working hard to help his team, Crane Truck raises one last beam. This is a crane truck. Can you say crane truck? The crane moves the beam. A beam is a long, heavy piece of metal used to build houses or bridges. Can you say beam? Good job. Beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. Let's turn the page. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, then cuddles up and says goodnight. Shh. Good night, Crane Truck. Good night. I notice Mr. Crane Truck has a smile on his face. When you go to sleep, do you go to sleep with a smile on your face? I know Mr. A does. Let me see your smile. Good job. Smile on Mr. Crane's face. Let's turn the page. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly song. We know this is a cement mixer because a cement mixer always has a big round back that spins and spins, and it has cement in it. Now, he's weary. Weary means tired. And so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. Let's turn the page. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, turns off the light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams from twirly fun. Shh. Good night, cement mixer. Good night. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads, both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. Look, another happy face. He has another smile on his face. One final load spills on the heap. Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. Let's turn the page. He lowers his head, locks his gate, rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night. He's fast to sleep. Pushing with his mighty blade, a bulldozer works to smooth the grade. A bulldozer pushes big rocks out the way, and sometimes small rocks too. He clears the way to level the ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar! Let me see you push. Just like a bulldozer. Good job. No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy. Let's turn the page. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Let's turn the page. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, Excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day, but now it's time to end his play. Look at the excavator. The excavator has a long arm too, just like the crane, but this excavator digs up into the ground. Look at how many holes the excavator dug. Can you say excavator? Good job. Mr. A is turning the page. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh. Good night, excavator. Good night. Let's turn the page. These big trucks so tough and loud, they work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and bags. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. How do you feel when you rest and dream? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you sometimes scared? I want to know how you feel. When Mr. A rests and dreams, I feel really, really joyful and really, really happy because I usually have really, really great dreams. Let's turn the page. Construction site all tucked tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now, shh. Good night. They all went to sleep. The end. How'd you like that story? If you like it, give me a thumbs up. I see all those thumbs up. Good job. So today we learned about the crane truck, we learned about dump truck, we learned about an excavator. I want to know what construction vehicle you like to drive or what construction vehicle you like the best. Let me know. All right, that's the end of our story. You guys have a good one.